Hi guys! So, ayan. Sorry, I still have this morning voice. Kakagising ko lang kasi and then, ayun, naisip ko na matagal ko nang hindi nagagamit yung aking Osmo Pocket. So, I'm gonna use it to review my favorite lipstick. So, wala lang. Naisip ko lang na i-review siya kasi it's so hard to gatekeep this kasi sobrang ganda niya talaga. As you can see, like, I have a dry and patchy lips. Yan. And also, I've got this little discoloration. So, ganyan talaga yung aking normal na lips. So, without further ado, ito na po. The Clinique Lipstick Black Honey. So, eto siya. It's very sleek. As you can see, ang packaging, very nice. Very sleek. Gray and like silver. So, ayan. Very nice. So, once you open it, alam niyo naman na to, di ba? Very sikat to. So, alam niyo na. So, ayan. As you can see, gamit na gamit ko na yan and may ano pa. Please, DJI, mag-focus ka. Ay, ayaw niya talagang mag-focus. So, as you can see, meron pa yung may streaks pa ng aking lips. Ganun ka dry yung lips ko. I've been using this for almost 6 months now. Magsi 6 months na. So, talagang ginamit ko muna siya bago ko binigay yung review. Kasi at first, yeah, it's moisturizing. Pero, parang gusto ko siyang gamitin and see what this offers. Kasi medyo mahal to. I bought this at around 24, if I'm not mistaken, 24 pounds. So, that's, huwag na tayo mag-convert. Basta yun, 24 pounds. So, i-apply na natin. So, you can see. As you can see, di ba, very dry and patchy yung aking lips. So, apply lang natin. There you go. So, it looks natural. Like, as in, natural lang siya. As you can see. Diba? Nawala niya yung patchiness, nawala niya yung lines ng aking lips. So, it's very nice. And it looks very natural. So, kahit pumupunta ako, nagjo-duty ako, ito lang yung gamit ko. Mukha na tayong fresh. So, look at that. It's so nice. Diba? So, this is one of my best buy for like 2023. And because I bought this at, I think, December 2023. So, ayun. So nice. Nawala yung pagka-patchy ng lips ko. Tapos, yung color ng lips ko is naging even siya. So, yun yung aking pinaka-like sa lipstick na to. And one thing about this lipstick, it doesn't dry up. So, well, nagja-dry up siya for like after 5 hours but not really like not dry. So, usually kasi pag nagli-lipstick ako and the lipstick is dry or may mga lip balm kasi na nagda-dry and then after it dries out, nafe-feel mo talaga na may mga dry skin sa lips mo. But this one, it doesn't have. So, kahit na mag-dry siya, your lips still looks like moisturize. Pero wala lang yung shine and wala lang yung color, ganun. Kasi syempre, nagda-dry or nawawala siya during pag kumakain ka. So, hindi siya ganun ka long lasting. But it doesn't like dry up your lips. Because I've tried one brand. I don't wanna name it. And it's not as good as this. This one is way, way too good to be compared to that. So, ayun. Yun naman, wala naman siyang color. Parang lip balm lang talaga. Tapos you feel na parang medyo malamig siya on your lips. So, meron siyang mint component to it. Pero, ayun, after 2 hours or so, you're gonna feel na sobrang dry ng lips mo. So, you need to reapply again. And it's a hard application kasi nasa ano siya, spot. So, pag nasa pot siya, so you need to apply it with the use of your finger. So, pag nag-duty ka, medyo hassle na yon. So, ito, sa bulsa ko lang, parang one of my ball pens lang in duty. Tapos, gigilid ka lang, tapos open mo, tapos lipstick ka lang. That's it. Done. Tapos, fresh ka na ulit, diba? So, ayun. So, this one, if you wanna buy, go for it. It has like black honey and also yung isa, yung medyo pinkish. I wanna try that one as well, pero I don't think it matches my lip color. Try this if you're a morena like me and you're looking for a lipstick. Try this! So, ayun lang. That's all for our TikTok video for today. So, bye!